destination for all things beautiful, functional, and inspiring for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you love spending time in your backyard but hate feeling like your neighbors are watching your every move, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into a game-changing backyard project. Pallet privacy fence ideas that will completely transform your outdoor boundaries without breaking the bank. Fencing can be one of the most expensive parts of landscaping, but with a little creativity, old wooden pallets can become a stunning, budget-friendly shield for your yard. Stick around as we show you how to blend total privacy with incredible rustic charm. A pallet privacy fence refers to a perimeter barrier constructed primarily out of reclaimed wooden shipping pallets, which are stacked, secured, and customized to create a solid wall. Choosing a pallet fence is one of the smartest decisions a budget-conscious homeowner can make because it offers incredible sustainability by upcycling materials that often go to waste. Beyond the massive cost savings compared to traditional vinyl or cedar fencing, pallet wood gives you a completely customizable canvas. You can easily sand, paint, or stain the wood to match any aesthetic, and the natural gaps in the structure double as built-in planters for flowers, herbs, and climbing vines, turning a basic property line into a lush, living accent wall. Wood pallets offer a versatile and cost-effective way to create privacy fences, protect gardens, or enhance yard aesthetics. Whether you're looking to add seclusion to your backyard or protect a vegetable patch from critters, DIY pallet fences made from free, recycled materials can be a practical solution. These upcycled fences not only serve a functional purpose but also add charm to your space with a natural appearance, bright paint, or floral accents. One. Built-in pallet planters. Wood pallet fence with planter. This pallet wood garden fence has alternating built-in planters along the top of the fence to add a decorative feel. You can use your pallet fence planters for small flowers or edible herbs. 2. Large pallet garden fence. Two Bears Farm used wood pallets to build a large fence around the garden. This is a simple and cost-effective solution for those who are looking to plant a vegetable patch located on a larger piece of land, and can easily be expanded or adapted. 3. Wood pallet effect fence. Reclaimed wood fence. If you want to create the look of a pallet wood fence using wood reclaimed from another source, like a broken-down shed on your property, you can give it a wood pallet aesthetic using a stencil and some black paint to add some random markings that will lend it an authentic feel. Funky Junk Interiors built a reclaimed wood fence decorated with pallet markings applied at various angles to give it a pallet wood look, then decorated the fence wall with an assortment of antique tools. 4. Hanging pallet planters. Pallet wood fence with plants. Rather than incorporating built-in planters, you can also hang lightweight planters from the wood pallet planks themselves. Adding colorful wire planters like the one above softens the pallet wood fencing by adding dimension and a friendlier feel. 5. Boho-style pallet fence. Pallet wood fence. Added a pallet wood daybed topped with a futon mattress behind a vertical reclaimed wood privacy fence that is edged with horizontal pallet wood on the top and bottom to create a rustic boho-style backyard hangout space. The private corner is decorated with patterned textiles, plants, and a straw hat to give it a breezy feel. 6. Multicolored pallet fence. Multicolored wood pallet privacy fence. If you're looking to build a budget-friendly and casual privacy fence to protect your yard from the road, stacked wood pallets are an easy choice. To keep your privacy wall from feeling like a fortress, use leftover paint to create a randomized checkerboard effect in a range of colors that will put a smile on the faces of passersby. 7. English country pallet fence. Pallet wood fence and raised garden beds. This English country cottage garden from Lobster and Swan is a study in upcycling, with reclaimed pallet wood used on both the DIY fencing and the raised garden bed planters. 8. Whitewashed pallet fence. White painted wood pallet fence. If you want your wood pallet fence to look less rustic, a simple coat of white paint will do the trick. Use a skim coat for a whitewashed aesthetic, or a uniform double coat for a modern farmhouse effect. 9. Pallet stamped wood fence. Wood pallet stamps. Adding faux wood pallet stamp markings to this rustic reclaimed wood fence from Funky Junk Interiors gives it an authentic pallet wood feel. A fun way to personalize a fence made from an assortment of reclaimed wood. 10. Stacked wood pallet fence. Small wood pallet fence. This simple pallet wood fence adds an extra layer of privacy from neighbors for those who live in close quarters. The horizontally placed wood pallets are double stacked in front of an existing vine-covered trellis. While they don't exactly fit the width of the space, the trellis and a potted plant make up the difference. A solution that doesn't involve cutting or additional tools. 11. Mini pallet fence garden. Pallet wood fence vertical garden. A beautiful mess layered a mini pallet fence on top of existing wire fencing to create a small DIY vertical pallet garden. The pallet boards are strung with simple pots of flowers, creating a small privacy corner for relaxing outside without building a fence around the periphery. 12. Extra tall pallet fence. Tall wood pallet privacy fence. This extra tall upcycled wood pallet fence is placed in front of an existing wall of ivy that is visible through the gaps in the wood pallets. The front of the fence is decorated with scattered terracotta flower pots that add color and dimension. 13. Garden shed pallet fence. Pallet wood gate. While many pallet wood fences include a hidden gate to allow access in and out, you can also use pallet wood to create a standalone gate. This garden shed wood pallet fence and matching pallet boardwalk from Funky Junk Interiors is attached to the side of the structure with a hinge. The weathered pallet wood complements the reclaimed wood of the garden shed exterior. The gate is styled with rusty lanterns and tools to complete the rustic feel. 14. Wood pallet herb garden. Wood pallet fence herb garden. Wood pallets can also be used to embellish existing fencing without spending a lot. This fence-mounted wood pallet herb garden is a simple DIY project, with small planters that are fronted by painted blackboards decorated with handwritten labels for a homey effect. 15. White pallet fence. Pallet wood vertical garden fence. Rather than adding built-in planters, a beautiful mess dressed this white painted pallet wood fencing with hanging fabric planters that add contrasts and a touch of greenery but can be removed or replaced easily. Creating a private sanctuary in your backyard doesn't require a massive budget or a team of contractors. Sometimes, it just takes a bit of resourcefulness and some DIY spirit. Wooden pallets give you the perfect foundation to build a fence that is uniquely yours, whether you lean into a rugged, rustic look or give it a sleek, modern finish with fresh, dark paint. By taking the time to properly treat the wood against the elements, you will ensure your new privacy screen stays beautiful and sturdy for years to come. If these pallet privacy fence ideas inspired your next weekend project, please hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly home and garden inspiration. Drop a comment down below telling us if you would try building a pallet fence, or share your favorite backyard DIY project. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and we will see you in the next video.